COVID coverage continues now, and a look at pediatric hospital resources in our state as more kids get sick with the virus. Right now, only 24% of pediatric intensive care unit beds are left. 37 in the entire state, and 75 pediatric ventilators are being used, nearly half of the entire state supply. And that does create a scary reality for school districts that continue to see a spike in COVID cases in the classroom. District leaders say social distancing and contact tracing are becoming harder and harder to achieve. News 2's Valencia Wicker spoke to Dickson County about the state of COVID in their schools.
Welcome to the Hill.
Dickson County schools have only been in session for about 2 weeks, and already
we're seeing numbers, especially among students, that were as high as they were, particularly during the height of the season last year, during December and January.
It's a spike being seen at districts all over Middle Tennessee among staff and students. Metro has 259 confirmed COVID cases. Rutherford County has 76 confirmed cases. Wilson County has 157, and Dickson is now sitting at 66.
It's tough to see those numbers on the rise again. Last year we had remote learning options, we had distance learning options, and this year, due to some changes in policies and procedures, we don't have all those options available to us from the state that we've had in the past.
Because of that, Dr. Weeks says it's nearly impossible to contact trace or even keep tabs on who comes in contact with who.
Not being able to rotate to a hybrid environment or to a digital environment like we were able to last year. And so that's been a challenge for us. And again, with the number of students in classrooms, it's hard to maintain that social distance like we have in the past.
Meanwhile, the district is working to keep families informed as needed.
Our main message really is to stay home if you're sick. If our students are sick and not feeling well, stay home and keep that out. We've made some flexible options for our families in terms of attendance this year. And so we want them to take advantage of that.
In Dickson County, Valencia Wicker, News 2.
Of those 66 confirmed cases in Dickson County schools, 13 were staff members. At this point, the district is not keeping tabs on the number of absences due to COVID. The Davidson County District Attorney says he will not prosecute school officials or teachers who enforce Metro Public Schools' mask mandate. The governor signed an executive order yesterday letting parents opt out of school mask mandates. But Metro Public Schools says its mandate will stay in place for all students.